Hi, this is Jonathan Cho, just making a market update and providing some basic trade plans for the day on Wednesday, April 12th. Just going back over the euro dollar, if you look at this chart, this is a daily inverse head and shoulders that's breaking down. I covered this, so I said yesterday at any approach of the mid 106s, you're going to get selling, which happened. Price got into the low 106.30s. And you got basically, you see this massive upper wick, basically just immediate selling once it approached that area. It's highlighted by this blue box that I had as resistance. But you have another attempt higher, so any approach again deeper into that blue area, which is around the 106.50 area, is I'm just going to look for opportunities to sell. But a bigger trade opportunity is going to be provided by dollar yen. You know, dollar yen had a lot of support at this 110 area. Where my crosshairs is just above 110, and normally with euro selling down from 106.30, you would see that accompanied normally by up in dollar yen, but I had said that that correlation is not as reliable as it used to be, and basically at this point that's not a correlation that I probably care to trade anymore. So you had a lot of people stopped out. I was looking for a long just above 110, the 110 area, or in the low 110s, but you never really got an opportunity to do that. You never had any sign that support was holding. You just had red, and you had basically you just had no green. You had no minor higher high, no opportunity, and then eventually it just flushed down. So what I'm going to be looking for is a retest of that 110 area. So 110, give or take 20 pips or so. 109.80 to 110.20, but I will be looking at the price action. They're looking for opportunities to sell. Once I see signs of resistance, they're showing up, like that people are actually going to be going short. So I see price now at 109.58, and basically once price gets 25 pips higher or so, I am going to be looking for short opportunities in dollar yen. In addition to, and that will spell for me long opportunities in gold. So if I look at this gold chart, I had said yesterday that gold had a lot of resistance in the 1260s, which is true, but if dollar yen held at 110 and that held support held, and you saw bounce, you would see selling in gold. You never got that. If I show you, basically once you had this strong candle in gold, this is a 15-minute chart, that was the first sign of that indicated that there was going to be a lot of downside pressure in dollar yen, and as dollar yen broke through 110 to the downside, you saw just basically massive move up in gold. Now that 1260s area, 1260 to 1265 or so is going to be a lot of support in gold, a great deal of support in gold, and so I am looking for basically a little further down in gold from the 1275 level, sort of where it's at right now, down to somewhere in the 1260s, 1260 to upper 1260s, and looking to see where dollar yen is. If dollar yen is in that 109.80 to 110.20 area, and I see signs of a turnaround, that'll be a very good opportunity to go short dollar yen and go long gold. This correlation is extremely strong. Gold, dollar yen, they're inversely correlated, and I'm using both, and I would highly recommend you use both to trade this. Anyway, hope this video helps. Today is going to offer, today or tomorrow, depending on how long dollar yen takes to retest that level. Gold, however long gold takes to retest, but there's a very good chance it'll happen today, and if so, you could see a very good, very very easy to take advantage. And I know when I say easy, you want to be careful saying stuff like that, but sort of trade opportunities where I can very reliably expect a lot of sellers to want to be shorting at 110 in dollar yen, and in somewhere in the 1260s area, and going long somewhere in the 1260s area in gold. So just prepare for that, and Good luck today.